Hey everyone, if you've been running Amazon ads for a while, you've probably hit this frustrating wall. Your ACoS is just way too high. You're spending more than you're making. You keep spending so much time optimizing your bids, optimizing your budgets, but really nothing is changing. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly reasons why your ACoS is way too high and more importantly, how to lower it. You'll know exactly which mistakes you're making and which mistakes you can also avoid while bringing your ACoS down as low as possible. Let's get into it.
So, the first reason is poor keyword targeting. One of the biggest causes of high ACoS is wasting money on the wrong keywords. Maybe you're targeting broad match terms that aren't converting, or you're bidding on keywords with low purchase intent. With Airhello, Autopilot automatically adds new converting keywords and cuts out the waste by pausing on profitable ones. Instead of pouring money into irrelevant clicks, your budget gets funneled into keywords that actually bring in sales. So think of it this way. Most sellers bleed money on window shopper clicks. But Airhello makes sure that you're paying for those clicks from new buyers. So another reason why your ACoS shoots up is because you are having the wrong bids at the wrong time. You're probably bidding too high or you're overspending. And bidding too low, that could also miss a lot of, profitable traffic. So that's where AI Holo Autopilot changes the game. Once you set up your target ACoS, Autopilot automatically adjusts bids in real time. If a keyword starts overspending, AI Holo lowers the bid until it comes back in line. So if a keyword is crushing it, AI Holo raises the bid to capture even more sales. So you no longer have to guess, your bid will always match your profit goals. Another reason is ignoring the placement controls. So Amazon ads aren't just about keywords, it's placements, they matter too. If you're not controlling top of search or product page placements, your ACoS can spiral out of control. So Airhello monitors placement performance and adjusts automatically. So if top of search is giving you profitable conversions, it pushes more budget there. But if product pages are wasting more spend, it pulls back. So this means you're always showing up in the right spots without burning cash onto the wrong ones. The fourth reason is because of lack of daily optimization. So here's the truth. Most sellers don't optimize their campaigns daily. It's too time consuming. But in fast moving sales periods, even one day of bad bidding can blow up your ACoS completely. So Airhello Autopilot runs 24/7. It checks every keyword, every campaign, and it checks it every single day. So it's like having a full-time ads manager that just never sleeps. It's catching problems before they get too expensive, which helps keep the ACoS very stable. The fifth reason is poor product targeting. So sometimes the problem isn't just keywords or bids, it's the products themselves. So ads for products that aren't competitive, poorly reviewed, or priced too high can generate clicks and drive no sales. And that drives up your ACoS very, very quickly. So Airhello helps by analyzing which products are performing well and allocating budget to a profitable items. So that way you're not wasting money on ads that aren't likely to convert and your ACoS naturally improves. The sixth reason is ignoring negative keywords, wasteful spend. So another hidden driver of high ACoS is failing to exclude irrelevant traffic. Without negative keywords, your campaigns will keep showing ads to the wrong audience, and that wastes a lot of your budget. So Airhello automatically identifies and adds negative keywords based on the performance trends. So this reduces wasted spend and also ensures your money is only going towards traffic that's more likely to convert. And over time, this simple step could dramatically lower your ACoS. And another bonus is reviving and testing keywords. So high ACoS often comes from stale campaigns. Airhello fixes this by testing fresh keywords every single day. If new keywords aren't available, it can revive previous underperforming keywords that now can be profitable. So high ACoS is rarely caused by just one thing. It usually comes from a combination of factors: spending on the wrong keywords, manual bidding errors, ad placements, like ignoring where the ad placements, failing to optimize daily, promoting the products that aren't performing well, and also not using negative keywords enough to cut the wasted traffic. So Airhello tackles all of these challenges all in once, just by automating your bids, optimizing replacements, continuously testing and reviving keywords. and it ensures that your campaigns stay efficient, profitable, and ready to capture more sales. Bye bye.